Hello, little scientists! Today we're making a magical rainbow that walks by itself.
First, bright Melo! Let's gather our materials. Now let's add bright colors to some of the cups. Next, connect the cups with paper towel bridges. Look, the water is climbing up the paper towels all by itself. Look! New colors are forming. Look, this happens because of capillary action. Water can travel through tiny spaces in the paper towel. We made a beautiful rainbow! Look! Did you enjoy this amazing science experiment? Like, share, and subscribe to Bright Melo for more fun science adventures!